In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share screen on Zoom Workplace. By the end, you'll feel confident showing your screen to others, whether you're presenting slides, demonstrating an app, or walking through a document. First, you need to be in a Zoom meeting. You can either join an existing meeting or start one yourself. If you're not the host, keep in mind that the host may control who can share. If the share screen option isn't available to you, it might be disabled for participants, so ask the host to enable screen sharing. Also, make sure your Zoom app is up to date to avoid any odd prompts or missing buttons. Once you're in the meeting, look for the Share Screen button on the meeting toolbar. On desktop, it's typically a green button along the bottom of the window. If you don't see the toolbar, move your mouse or tap your screen and it should appear. On mobile, the option may be under the Share or More menu. When you click Share Screen, a window opens showing all the things you can share. You can choose your entire screen, a specific window like a browser or a slideshow, or a single application. If you have multiple monitors, you'll see each display listed separately. Choosing your entire screen is handy for switching between programs, but remember that everything on that screen becomes visible, including notifications. If you prefer privacy, pick just the window you need. Before you continue, take a moment to close any unrelated tabs or apps you don't want others to see. Now, click Share. Your audience will see what you selected, and you'll notice a colored border around the shared content and a small toolbar that lets you manage your share. You can drag that toolbar out of the way if it covers something. If you're sharing a video clip, look for options to share computer sound or optimize for video. Those are optional but can improve playback for viewers. Speak clearly and move your cursor deliberately so people can follow along. If you're demonstrating steps, pause briefly between actions to give attendees time to process what they're seeing. When you're finished, click Stop Share on the floating toolbar. This returns everyone to the regular meeting view. Before wrapping up, confirm that participants saw what they needed and ask if they have questions. With a little practice, these steps become second nature, and your presentations will run smoothly from start to finish.